I always talk the best way, effective way to bring inner strength. With that inner calmness or inner peace. And with that, we can handle all problems more realistically, more effectively. So I believe wholeheartedness, compassionate heart is the key factor for meaningful life. And also for one's own health. The calm mind, one very, very crucial factor. According to my own experience, when I had medical checkup from time to time, the doctors found my physical condition is very good. So of course my life, not happy one, lot of difficulties. At age 16, I lost my freedom. And at age 24, I lost my own country. Then last 50 years, constant heartbreaking news. Always. Some cases, some positive news. Otherwise, most cases, bad news, sad news. But then, comparatively, my mental state, quite okay, quite calm. So now this shows, I think, some impact in my health. So some people consider Dalai Lama has some kind of healing power. That's nonsense. If I truly have sort of healing power, then the surgery which remove my gallbladder, that should not take place. So that means very clear, I have no healing power. So logically, it is rather foolish. If anyone have some healing power, then firstly use himself or herself. So I think the peace of mind really makes differences about our health and day-to-day life, more happier. And one's own inner happiness, inner calmness also creates some peaceful atmosphere that also many other people enjoy. So through that way we can create more happier society, something like one family. That we really need. Money, power may not bring that. That thing can bring only through sincere, compassionate attitude. Even animals. I think sometimes we can learn more things from animals rather than human beings. The animals, they don't care whether that person is rich or poor, whether that person is this color, that color, this religion or that religion or non-believer. They do not know, don't care, but they care very much. The other person's sort of attitude, affection, affectionate attitude, sincere, not lying, not cheating, then these animals also very much appreciate. Black dogs, cats, and some birds also. So here I have still one question. Whether mosquito have the ability to appreciate of others' affection. That still I don't know. And some small insect, they may not have the ability. Their brain size is too small. So they are only sort of equipped for just day-to-day survival of day-to-day life. That's all. But many cases, even animals also have sort of appreciate others' truthfulness, honesty, compassion. So then when we suppose we have much more intelligence, if that intelligence destroyed or negligence about this basic value, which even other animals also appreciate, if that we neglect or sort of minimize, it's not a sort of intelligent sort of act. It's I think foolish. I think basically our nature, I believe, more compassionate. One clear sign is, firstly, we everybody come from mother's womb and we survived with mother's milk.